Yeah, well, excuse how gross my car is because I just got off work, but as you can see, we're doing shifter things to turn my shifter into a giant joystick. Currently, Garrett is inside figuring out how to mount and assemble it together, and then when we come back, hopefully we will be able to turn this into a cool joystick so you can play Mario. So the plan is to convert this 2000 Audi TT shifter into my new shifter over here with a cool joystick doodly.
Should get it half-assed time now. Once it dries. Touch your dongle. Sure you seen it?
Yeah, I'm positive. And that's the least of my concerns. I can make that work, but that's gotta go on first. We had to do it like that last time too. Yeah.
Good, so I just gotta get set in there right. Pushed in there rather.
Finagle the tip.
I gotta play with the tip, yes.
You get that little rubber skin ring to line up around the little head deal.
Yeah, I think I might leave the little rubber skin thing out of her. Pull out.
Yeah, it's been pretty controversial lately, the whole circumcision thing. In fact, we saw an FSU car, a Volvo, yesterday covered in FSU colors and stuff, and on the front of it, it said "Save the Clitoris."
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty specific.
I'll stretch it just a little bit right there.
Yeah,
And then there's no going back now.
It's a joystick. It's a joystick. Yeah! Oh.